What if I told you that right now, a massive meteor is heading toward Earth, and NASA is staying silent? They have the data, they have the warnings. But you're not supposed to know. Until now, this is not a conspiracy. This is real, and the truth is terrifying. For decades, NASA has tracked thousands of near-Earth objects. Most are harmless. But some are different. In classified internal briefings, NASA scientists have debated an object known as X-999, a newly discovered, fast-moving asteroid. According to leaked sources, its trajectory is uncertain. Uncertain? That's the word they use when they're not allowed to say impact. But here's the part they don't want you to hear. Its path has changed, and in the last 6 months, multiple astronomers have quietly revised their calculations. It's coming closer than we thought. NASA, the European Space Agency, even private observatories. Why aren't they warning the public? According to classified documents leaked in 2024, internal teams have modeled an Earth impact scenario for X-999. The results? Total devastation. If this meteor enters our atmosphere at the right angle, it could trigger an explosion greater than 1,000 nuclear bombs. If it hits land, entire cities will be erased. If it strikes the ocean, we're looking at tsunamis taller than skyscrapers, swallowing entire coastlines. And the worst part, we wouldn't even have time to evacuate. Ask yourself this. Why hasn't mainstream media covered this? Why aren't government agencies preparing the public? The answer is control. NASA and world leaders have long followed a simple rule: never cause panic, because panic leads to chaos. But does that mean we shouldn't know the truth? In 2013, a meteor exploded over Russia with the force of 30 atomic bombs. Completely unexpected. No warning. No alerts. If that was a small one, what happens when something far bigger enters our atmosphere? And what if it's already on its way? Dr. Joseph Nuff, a senior scientist at NASA, once warned that civilization-ending asteroids are not science fiction. In 2016, he publicly admitted that we are woefully unprepared for an asteroid on a collision course with Earth. And here's where it gets worse. X-999 isn't alone. NASA's Near-Earth Object Program quietly tracks over 2,000 potentially hazardous asteroids. Their own reports state that an undiscovered asteroid could strike at any time. Did you hear that? An undiscovered asteroid could strike at any time. What if X-999 is that asteroid? What if they already know? What if they're just waiting? The truth is out there. We've given you the evidence. The question is, what will you do with it? Comment below. Do you believe NASA is hiding the truth? Or is the real danger something even bigger? Subscribe now, before it's too late.